Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to the React using TypeScript playlist, and in this playlist we are going to learn about React. So without any delay, let's see what we are going to learn. So in this tutorial we are going to start with the World Wide Web. We are going to learn how JavaScript became so popular with the growth of the World Wide Web and how TypeScript came into existence and how it benefited us. Thereafter, we are going to deep dive into the React core concepts like components, JSX, hooks, props, state, events, conditional rendering, keys, fragments, portals, and a lot more. So we are going to cover these topics one by one, and we will also provide some code samples which will actually help you to refer them in the later part of the journey. At the end of this playlist, we are also going to do a project on React and Redux, which will actually clear your concept about the Redux architecture and is immensely going to help you in making your own projects, which can actually land you a beautiful job, a dream job, you can say. So after the playlist is done and you are completed with our study material, we assure you that you will be having one of the best learning experiences. And this tutorial which we are going to bring up is not only for the freshers but also for the experienced professionals who would like to refresh their knowledge. So that's it, and if you feel that there you have some doubts or queries, you can anytime comment them in the comment section and we would reply on the doubts. If required, we will again make videos to clear those concepts. So if you think you have been benefited by us, you can like the video and subscribe our channel so that you stay tuned with us. And we are going to bring up a lot more interesting videos in the upcoming future. So stay tuned with us. See you in the next video. Bye.